hello. Anyways, so I made some videos and I couldn't decide which one was the best. So I had like two outfits and did like two dances. And this right here I want to call La Ratchet Grinch. Don't wear it out. I had so much fun. Excuse the lighting. It sucks in here because there's no fucking sunshine. But of all the fucking days, today, the bitch is hiding. Puta. Anyways, I can't wait to share the videos with you tomorrow. I decided to share them tomorrow because tomorrow's hump day. And I love me some hump day, hunty. Hump day, yes, queen, yes, bitch. So, I really don't want to take this off because I really had so much fun doing this makeup, and I will share all the details with you on what I used, all the magical things in my vanity. But right now, I'm gonna take this thing off, La Ratchet Grinch, with Neutrogena makeup remover. Okay. Who uses these? I love these. Oh shit, but first I gotta take my lashes off. Oh god dang. Jesus Cristo. Jesus Cristo. Shit. Oh. Fuck, I got some in my ear. In my ear. I got some, tengo algo a mi ojo y me pica. I probably need like 3 of these hoes. Oh, and I took pictures, so don't forget me. I am La Ratchet Grinch. Okay, putas? Don't wear it out, okay, pendejitas? Because I will find you, and I will take you and grab all your presents. Okay, no, for real. All jokes aside. Oh, look at all this eyeshadow I use, y'all. If you like to see more videos, check me out on the YouTube. Peace out. Love y'all, my racheteras.